In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I'll show you how to enable the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, extend it, and on the second page, at least that's where it is for me, I have the hotspot toggle right over here. So before you tap on it, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings of it. So let's do that. And in here, set up portable hotspot, where we will have the option to, number one, either find out what the password of it is or change the password, whichever one you want to do more. I prefer to change it, so let's remove the randomly generated one and set it to something that you can remember. So once you set up the password, you can also change the SSID, which is just a name of the network if you want to. Personally, I find the name of the device to be good enough network name, so keep it as it is. Then you have security, keep it as it is. Otherwise, the other option is to not have any security, so anybody can connect to your network. Device identification, portable hotspot, keep it as it is. Select AP band. Unfortunately, here we can have either one or the other, not both. So generally, if you have a newer device, you can probably use the 5 GHz one. If you have an older device, then drop down to 2.4. The benefit of going with 5.1, it's just going to be stronger signal and more stable, faster, while the 2.4 is just going to be used by a wider array of devices. That's basically originally what every smartphone was using, and now we're moving a little bit higher. That's why we have the 5.1. So for instance, you can set it to 5, and if your device doesn't see any kind of network named Redmi, at least whatever it's named here in the SSID, so if you don't see any kind of Redmi Note 9S in your network or Wi-Fi list, then go back to here and change it to 2.4, and then look for it again, and you should find it at that point. So once all that is set, tap on the check mark, then you can leave this place and simply tap on the check right here to enable the hotspot. And now you can connect to your Wi-Fi with a different device. So as an example, I can bring up my device really quickly, and alright, if I can unplug it, let me quickly bring up the brightness of it so you can see it right over here. Second last option, Redmi Note 9S, so that is the network, and I can connect to it using that password I have set. And you should probably see that one device will be connected in here. Not sure if it's gonna show me or not. There it is, connected device, so it shows one device at the moment. So that is how you would connect to also the Wi-Fi. And once you're done, you can simply turn it off also to the notification panel by tapping on it once more. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.